አዱሊስ ጥንታዊት ቀዳማዊት ኢኺ አዱሊስ ጊዜኺ እዩ ተንሥ زولا زتتخلت قدمي تاريخ متحافون عالم زمهارت أدوليس يا مسرت زينة صفتت نعيش الطعمة ما بقسي أدوليس سمكي كاب قدامي كفلة زمن سركي زسدركي كاب قبتي كساب روما زنافق اسمكي مس نقستي حتشبسوت بنقدي زتأساسركي Oh Adulis, the ancient one, you are the first, the origin. Oh Adulis, your time has come around. On the Red Sea shores in the Bay of Zula, you taught the world long before history was written. Adulis, you are the foundation, an endless spring of wisdom. The very starting point of civilization is your name. Since the 1st century, your roots have run deep. From Egypt to Rome, your name was held in awe. You linked Queen Hatshepsut through the bonds of trade. ጥንታዊት ቀዳማዊት ኢኺ አዱሊስ ጊዜኺ እዩ ተንሥ አዱሊስ ጥንታዊት ቀዳማዊት ኢኺ አዱሊስ ጊዜኺ እዩ ተንሥ ምድሪ ፑንት እናበሉ ኣምላኽ ዝሰፈረራ سني حرمازن اطانن كابخي زتبقسرا عررن قربتن معدنا كلو تستي ناب عالم زلا اخكي كابوشتر عادي اخصم كي تفندرت نسخي زنبركي ببحرن بيبسن علن زراخبكي نقدي هندي بسكرخ ستاقبا دقخي سماي زعرقنا سلطان أخي Adulis, the ancient one, you are the first. So Adulis, your time has come around. Known as the land of Khat, where the divine resided, ivory and incense flowed from your heart to the world. Minerals, heights and treasures from the deep interior, you exported to the nations from the heart of our land. Before Aksum was ever old, you already stood tall, connecting the world by sea and by land. India and Greece gathered at your ancient days. Your great civilization holds high, reaching for the heavens. Zitagam نايتايخ مسكت حداثن كوما إلان زو غزال كتبه مسجزة ترسيبو ألوليس سمكي أغوشتي مرت عقلبو كله حق تاتكي قحيتو مدران كسكسن أخصو بأخي حليفو The very port, a living record of time, blessed by the wisdom of the Hadas and Kumail rivers. Through your nation, get through the passing ages. وشمذ زولان العلي تتمت كوحيت ودويلة بقرما زقومت بترامس حولتها تاريخ زعاكبت ديقا سافرا قويمو زمن زسقر بالحي أبوتاتنا أب عالم زنقر نركخي حيسكي تاريخ كسقادر نحاسوت صبرنا حقيقنا نقبصو تاريخنا كنقر بكبرا كنملسو. Oh, Adonis, the ancient one, you are the first. Oh, Adonis, your time has come around. Looking up, looking up from the Bay of Azula, Coheto stands firm in majestic grandeur. Vetera with its stella, a guardian of our history. The Safra Dam stands, conquering the centuries. The brilliance of our fathers is told to the nations, holding your children as history is handed down. We shatter the lies to let the truth reign supreme. Let our story be told to restore your ancient glory. Oh, Adulis Tentauris Kedama Witichi